talked about it in the previous period. Another way of disinfection is the ultraviolet disinfection, which is used more and more widely. The ultraviolet sterilizer mainly uses the principle of ultraviolet sterilization to disinfect the water body by ultraviolet irradiation. Ultraviolet disinfection belongs to physical disinfection, high sterilization efficiency, high sterilization rate, and sterilization without dead angle, large water treatment capacity, low cost, convenient maintenance and management. The disadvantage is that there is no continuous disinfection capacity. Unlike chlorine disinfection, after the residual chlorine can continue to disinfect the water. But overall, the advantage of UV sterilizer is still very obvious. The London Olympic Stadium is the use of UV sterilizer sterilization. UV sterilizer for tap water, secondary water supply, drinking water, industrial water, well water, aquaculture water disinfection. One is ozone sterilization and disinfection. Compared with the previous two, ozone sterilization and disinfection is mainly used for water tank sterilization. The scope of use is relatively narrow, but the sterilization efficiency is also relatively high. At the same time, there are certain requirements for maintenance and management. As for the use of which way to sterilization and disinfection of water, you can decide according to your own situation. In general, ultraviolet disinfection has incomparable advantages. The use of more and more widely. The use of ultraviolet disinfection technology has outstanding advantages, especially in the case of small water can give full play to its advantages. That is, low dose in a short time can kill the bacteria in the water. The installation of ultraviolet disinfection equipment is relatively easy. Its management and operation are very convenient. More importantly, the use of ultraviolet water treatment is a kind of physical treatment. Will not add new substances to the water. After disinfection of the water will not produce toxic side effects of products, and the virus itself resistance to ultraviolet light ability is very weak if the virus through the host after the protection of the virus to enhance the ability to resist tight outside. Therefore, the use of ultraviolet water disinfection should also be pre-treatment, also cannot ensure the continuous sterilization and disinfection effect.